So this running vest has worked super great for me. It has kind of all these different features. There are lots of pockets. We're starting with this one in the front. Pocket right there. There is a inner pocket right here that Velcros. We've got a pocket right here on this side that also Velcros. And then these little loops right here. There's also a pocket down here. It's good for a little extra water bottle. And then there is the big pocket in the back for your water with an additional pocket down here. Definitely love how meshy the material is. It's very breathable. So it just connects with this buckle right here. You buckle this in just like that, and you can loosen it and tighten it with the buckle. There's also another buckle down here. I think it comes in different colors. I think the black looks, you know, sleek, stylish. You can also adjust how tight or loose it is, the thickness on the sides with the buckles. Yeah, I definitely recommend it if you're trying to get into running and have a lot of stuff to hold. It holds my phone, it holds some shoes, holds your water in the back, some pepper spray, really anything you want to bring, you can fit in this. You can be hands-free when you're running. Definitely recommend it if you're looking to get into running.